in what ended up being a pretty big point swing and a pretty horrible end to Ken Roczen's night. If you missed it in Tampa, following Cooper Webb, like the last couple minutes of the race, moving up and actually catching or running towards Chase Sexton, well, he ran into some lapper problems, which on this track, I'm honestly not surprised about. This stand section was horrible, and you can see Cooper Webb in front, Roczen trying to chase him, ends up running into one and then getting hit by another. And it's one of those sad things every year. Whether you think the lappers should be on the same track, whether you think they should be, if they're a lap under or lap back, they should be pulled over. Whatever the thing is, every year there's always one of these problems with a lapper, and it's not their fault. I mean, like, faster guys coming through, you're still in your own race, but you see them come into the sand section, and it's a hard section. Like, those ruts are super deep, gets crossroad a little bit, jumps in, hits somebody else, and then gets landed on by, well, almost landed on by somebody else. And chain fell off, couldn't finish the race, got wrapped around the front sprocket, and just, that was the end of his night. And it sucks. I mean, I think he's now like fourth or fifth in points. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong there, but what could have been like he could have gained some points on Sexton, or, been, oh, not maybe lost as much, turns into, a complete waste of a night. And it's, the night didn't start very well for him. Getting hit in the first corner, or being whatever you want to call about that, in the heat race, having a bad gate selection, and then, the race is just, it's Supercross. It's, there are bound to be problems. There are bound to be, accidents and things that just don't go your way. But for somebody who's had a lot of problems with injuries, and, a lot of years where you think he should have won and hasn't, like this year where you got Jet Lawrence out, one of the big main competitors, Eli Tomek's now injured. Like, he has a good chance of winning this title if he can just be consistent and, get some podiums and some wins. So a night like tonight, or last night, I guess technically, really sucks. And hopefully he can bounce back, have a good weekend next weekend, and we'll get some Ken Roczen red plate again. But so I'm gonna leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Lapper's fault, Ken Roxon's fault, bad track design fault, whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.